We begin tonight with the latest on the coronavirus outbreak.
Yeah, lots happened today, so we'll walk you through the developments and help you make sense of it all. We know North Texas reported its first presumed case of COVID-19. We're learning new information about the patient and what's happening with his family in Collin County. Out west, a cruise ship carrying coronavirus patients has docked in California, and some of those passengers will be heading to Texas soon. And we'll dive into the staggering losses on Wall Street today. The Dow plunged more than 2,000 points. A new record.
Let's start with that new presumed case in Collin County, and it's presumed because the positive test still needs to be confirmed by the CDC.
Yeah, and health officials are making it clear the risk to the public in North Texas is low. Jobin Pettiker has new information about the patient and the impact on his community.
Health departments for several weeks repeated, not a matter of if, but when. Well, when happened Monday. The first presumptive case of the coronavirus in North Texas is in Frisco. A man in his 30s who just got back from a work trip in California. Word is further exposure may be very low.
And they're finding out their travel patterns, where they have been, and they'll do a complete surveillance map on that patient.
Chief Mark Pyland is Frisco's emergency management coordinator. They have been quietly preparing for 2 months now.
We're responsible for planning for the worst. That's what we do.
And this is far from the worst. This one person has been asked to stay home with family. He is not in a hospital or being treated. We've learned the whole family has been tested. Frisco ISD did confirm the man who tested is a parent of a student here at Tadlock Elementary in Frisco. The school is getting specially cleaned over the spring break. A school nestled in this North Frisco community. Srinath, like many we talked with, are not overly concerned.
We are taking all the precautions that we are supposed to take, but at the same time, there are things that you cannot control, obviously.
Control is the operative word. Control the virus and the panic associated with it.
We have got some of the best professionals here at the Collin County Healthcare Services Department. And so what seems like a big event to us, and certainly we're treating it with all the care and caution we need to, is just a normal routine event for them. And I'm glad that they have the skills to handle it.
Official test results on the Frisco case should be out soon. And that answer just might open up many more questions. We are just outside the school where we're being told the cleaning has started. Now, Frisco ISD has been in contact with the parents. They sent out a letter saying that if you are traveling overseas on spring break, that you may have to stay home for 14 days before returning. Here in Frisco, I'm Jobin Pettiker.
All right, thank you, Jobin. This case in Collin County brings our current state total of COVID-19 to 13. The 12 other cases are in the Houston area, which involve patients who recently took a cruise in Egypt. They are all between the ages of 60 and 70.